Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the Buy with PayPal option on Shopify. If you've been looking to streamline your checkout process or simply want to eliminate PayPal as a payment option, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this together, step by step, and I'll explain everything in detail so you can easily follow along and take control of your checkout experience. Our first stop will be the site editor, where we make all the magic happen. So let's start by navigating to a product page. Why start here? Well, the product page is where your customers get their first glimpse of the checkout options available to them. It's crucial to ensure it aligns with your preferences, both functionally and aesthetically. For example, you might want to make the checkout process as simple as possible by removing options you don't want to offer, like PayPal. This can help reduce distractions and make the shopping experience feel more streamlined for your customers. Once you're on the product page, take a close look until you find the Add to Cart button. Click on it. This simple action is like opening a door to a world of customization options, specifically for the checkout process itself. Now, from this menu, you'll want to focus on enabling the dynamic checkout buttons. Why, you ask? When these dynamic checkout buttons are activated, the PayPal button will gracefully disappear from your customer's view, and you'll have more control over which payment methods are available to your customers during checkout. Dynamic checkout buttons like Apple Pay or Google Pay are a great alternative if you're looking to speed up the checkout process. I must point out an important consideration here. The availability and customization of the options you'll see might differ based on the theme you are using. Shopify offers a wide range of themes, each with varying degrees of customization. Some themes might even offer more advanced options than others, so it's a good idea to explore the platform and see what works best for your store's layout. For instance, some themes may provide a simple toggle for adding or removing payment options, while others may require you to dig deeper into settings or even edit code. Don't worry though, I'll walk you through the easier methods first. If you're looking to not just hide, but completely remove PayPal as a payment method from your store, we'll need to make a little detour to the admin dashboard. So let's head there together. Direct your attention to the settings, conveniently located at the bottom left corner of your dashboard screen. Once you've clicked on Settings, look for the option labeled Payments. This section controls all the payment methods available for your store. Here, you can manage which payment methods you want to offer your customers, and this is where you'll be able to remove PayPal entirely from the payment options. In the Payment section, scroll through until you find the PayPal payment method. You'll then want to click on that method, which will reveal additional options for managing it. Here comes the straightforward part. All you need to do is click on Deactivate. You'll instantly see that PayPal is no longer an active payment method on your Shopify store. This is a great option if you want to completely remove PayPal as a payment gateway, ensuring that your customers only have access to the payment methods you've selected. Remember, this will also remove PayPal from the checkout options entirely, both for existing and new customers. And there you have it. We've successfully navigated through the steps necessary to remove the Buy with PayPal button from both the front end and the payment methods available on your Shopify store. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. By following these steps, you're now in control of exactly how you want your checkout process to look and feel, making your store even more tailored to your brand and customers' preferences. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. Whether you want to remove other payment methods or simply optimize your store's checkout process, I'm here to help. Happy selling!